Hi, I'm Elise from the CosBond workshop. We finished the axe and added all the details. Now it's time to paint. I first sprayed all of the metal parts with a dark silver spray paint. Be sure when using spray paint to wear a mask and spray in a ventilated area. I then sprayed the edge of the axe with a bit of silver, and then I added the silver to all the details. I sprayed a little spray paint onto cardboard and used a cheap paintbrush to paint the silver. Put the silver anywhere on high points where rubbing would occur or where the weapon has been damaged. Once those are dry, we can begin adding the color to all of the straps. I started with the colorful straps on the axe head. This took several layers before I liked the color. I then began to add the brown to the straps in layers. I mixed in a bit of dark brown to give it depth and detail. Now we can add in all of the dirt and grime to give the axe the look that it's been used. For this, I took a bit of black and brown and brushed it into the crevices of the axe. While it's still wet, go back in with some paper towel and wipe out the excess paint. Now our axe is complete. In our next video, we can move on to making Astrid's scale armor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.